Traveling in an RV isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about freedom, exploration, and embracing a different way of life. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a newbie just starting out, here are some practical tips to make your RV travel experience as enjoyable as possible.
Here's the melamine playset that I said I use. So I have a setting for 4 and they're not going to break. And they're lightweight and they are not dishwasher safe, but that's okay. I don't have a dishwasher in here. I want to get one, but I don't have one yet. But these are lightweight, they won't break, and they look nice. So this pot and pan set that I got all nest within each other right here in this drawer. And if it didn't nest like this, then I would be filling up this whole space and more. Let me show you. I'll take this apart. I'll show you how it works. So here it is on the counter like this, all nested together. This is a pan, a lid, and then you got 1, 2, 3 bowls, 3 pots I should say, and I've put these protectors inside each one so they don't rattle around. And then you have a big pot here. But it's nice, they all fit in each other. And then it comes with this little handle here like this, and it just clips on. You pull this back, put this in here like this. So no handles to get in the way, and again, they just all nest within each other like this. And it takes up 1 footprint of this instead of, a whole bunch of drawer space. On this pull-out drawer, here's another idea of nesting. So my Tupperware and storage containers, they all nest within each other. Save space. Another example of space saving and a nesting item, my measuring cups. These are rubber and they just pop out like that. But again, they all nest within each other to save space, and it's lightweight. Again, here's another nesting item. It's these bowls. There's like 4 bowls all within each other here, and they all have a lid, and they all nest inside each other and take up just this footprint. Bring a couple of these. Look at how thick the stem is, and they're actually a pretty thick wine glass, so they're not going to break. And I just keep them right here in the fridge, right up here. And usually they're locked in with all my sodas or juices or cans of whatnot. Bathroom. This is the little garbage can I was talking about. It's just held on with some earthquake putty. It's not going anywhere. It's nice. It just lives there and it is out of the way. In the closet in the bedroom, just a little broom like this is all you need. And I've you can buy one of these holders at any hardware store. It's a 3M and it's perfect for a broom. On the TV, this is a USB-C, so it fits my new my Samsung phone, and then I run it to the back here, and it's plugged into the back of the TV. So mine is a HDMI to USB-C. You'll need to look at the back of your TV and find out what connection you need for your phone and the TV to match together. But with this, you just plug the phone in right here, and then you can mirror to the TV whatever is on your phone. Little leveler is good to have. You can put this anywhere in the trailer to see if you are level, and it's not going to take up much space. Another thing you might carry is a small ladder. I have a step ladder there. You can see that, but that is a hatchet and a pair of clippers. And again, they are just mounted on the wall with the tool that you can buy at the hardware store for mounting tools in your garage. It's just 3M, but those are good things to have on hand. Inside my storage area, these are the adapters I was telling you about. So just a bunch of these. This is the 110 to 50. I have 50 to 30 amp, I have another one here, 30 amp to 110. So just these are called dog bone adapters, and you'll want various sizes of these.
Keep these tips in mind and you're sure to have an unforgettable RV travel experience. Remember, the journey is as much a part of the destination. So, are you ready to hit the road and start your own RV adventure? It's a lifestyle that combines freedom, exploration, and a sense of community in a way that few other forms of travel can. As always, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep enjoying the adventure.